Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. In case you can't tell by the color on the leaves of the tree behind me, or any tree that's around you, the fact that my collar goes a little bit further up my neck than normally it would, and the change in temperature, we are now getting to the season that is before the season, that is before the season, that is before it is summer again. And it's a short, ephemeral season here in Wisconsin, but it is beautiful with the leaves changing colors. And I wanted to ask some of our employees here what their favorite autumn activities are. So I also wanted to recommend some vehicles in our lineup which might help you accomplish these. To start, we have stealing my kids' trick-or-treating candy. For that, I'm going to go with the Telluride because you can fit a lot of candy in it. Secondly, we have driving around with the windows down, sunroof open, and enjoying the crisp fall air. Any vehicle in the lineup will do for that. Also go Telluride. And lastly, we had painting jack-o'-lanterns. Awesome. And for that, I'll go with Telluride because you can fit a lot of jack-o'-lanterns and painting supplies to make sure that they are appropriately adorned. So if you're looking for a vehicle for your fall adventures, shoot us a call or stop by today.